Hey, to adjust your quick panel on the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, for sure I'm talking about this one, all you have to do is just to go into your phone, open the Galaxy application. Now go into the quick panel, and as you can see from here, you can actually remove some shortcuts. So let's say that I want to, for example, remove maybe the water lock. So I have to click here, and also I'm gonna remove airplane mode. And if I want to change position of these icons, I can, so for example, click and hold it and then drag wherever I want. So if I often use do not disturb mode, always on display, I would like to get it on the first places. And also we can actually change position of those. Okay, we actually cannot move them between this. So we can actually click like this, remove this one, and it will be automatically moved into this one. So after this, I can get them back into this second screen. And if I want to finish, I have to click save, and that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.